Ang guwapo ng security ko. Uy, Diyos ko po yung security ko, day. Hala. Wala na, di na makakagawa ng content na to. Diyos ka pa. Ay, walang tao. There, oh. Maybe that's the guy. Parang alam nila yung tamang pag... Mukhang hinanpick nila yung security ko. Sorry naman, hindi ako makapag-focus. Hindi ako makapag-focus. Yung security ko is securing. Hi, we are also exploring a hotel right now. So we are trying to find the best budget hotels. So if you're going here, you can use this video as your guide. I don't know if you can see it from here, but my mouth is releasing the smoke. The smoke! Diyos ko po, yung security ko, mami. Wala ka talagang talo sa Pakistan, mami. Yung security ko, mami, hindi ako makapag-focus. Parang gusto ko nalang gumawa ng krimen, sa totoo lang. Parang, sir, may sinaksak ako kagabi. Joke lang.